Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So firstly, let's enter the dialer, and it doesn't matter if you will be on your contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on this 3 dot icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here we have to tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see, here we've got our blacklist. This is the number I've previously blocked. And in order to add new number to this list, just tap on add a number, and as you can see here, we can enter it manually. Just tap on block and it immediately appears on our blacklist. What's more, we've got the unknown option, so after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, your device will block all incoming calls from unidentified callers. Obviously you can turn it off whenever you want to, of course. So if you'd like to unblock the number, all you have to do is simply tap on this X button in the right next to the number you'd like to unblock and tap on unblock, and as you can see, it immediately disappears from the list. So it means that from now on you will receive incoming calls from unblocked numbers. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.